Every sack they turn around. Really hit the road, double footed, turn around. They ain't really running rounds. Trying to figure where these niggas pinging. I don't think these niggas mean it. 5% 10 back street still creeping. 10 to 6 really mean it. Where your OGs at? Where you niggas feet at? There you send a loss and my main feet to bleed that. Losses like you clean, ain't seen, ain't known that. Sneaky ass feet hit the window, let the door crack. Trying to figure where these niggas lows at. All that rack ducking, how you gon' last? Where they supposed to be thugging? Niggas ain't thugging. Tell me how you gon' last.